Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Well, I told you we're gonna go places and find stashes, whether it's my stash or Dave's stash or Mark's stash or a mustache or the stash that's at Kitlinx. Yeah, I'm at Kitlinx warehouse, and every once in a while we're going to look at some of the items they've got here. Some might have been out for a while, some might be brand new, and I guarantee they're going to be in somebody's stash, probably yours, but yeah, a lot of them are in my stash. So today, well, let's take a look at what we've got as we cruise and peruse the aisle, shall we? Something I really like. It's pretty new. It's this 48 scale P-51 Mustang by Airfix, P-51D. Let's open it up and take a look at it, shall we? It's not shrink wrapped. Darn it. Well, you know, I like tearing off the shrink wrap. It's just my thing, you know. But it is taped, so that's a good thing. Airfix tends to do that. So let's take a look at the box art. Ooh, actually pretty neat looking box art. And on the side, it kind of has some instructions on painting and marking for a couple of different aircraft. Ooh, and of course, it's got everything in like 12 different languages. Unfortunately, none of them are vulgarity. But if you'd like, I can translate that for you. But regardless, there's these other 12 languages if, you know, you speak them. So that's cool. Here it is. We'll open this up in a moment. I want to see the instructions first. Let's see what we have here. So it looks like the instructions are only in 3 different languages. Okay, that's fine. Well, 5, I guess. All right, so there we've got the interior put together stuff. Quite a bit of detail it looks like with the wheel wells and the cockpit. That's pretty neat. We're up to step 22, and we're just barely starting to put together fuselage parts. Everything else is that detail stuff. That's pretty impressive. Oh! They hid the decals right in the middle of the sheet. The instruction sheet. Okay. I digress. Here we go. Looks like some pretty good detail in putting the wings together. Wow, lots of steps to put the wings together. This has got a lot of steps, but I think these steps don't have a lot of stuff you do, you know what I mean? Like here's step 38, you glue one part on, and step 39, you glue one part on. So even though I'm up to step 56, you're only gluing 1 or 2 parts per step, so that's not too bad. Pretty clear on the instructions. It even comes with a pilot with glasses. That's interesting. Yeah. And so the total number is 66 steps. It's a lot of steps. At least you'll get your steps in for the week. That's important. That's healthy. Here we have some markings for Lou the Third, I believe. Oh, Lou the Fourth. Okay. And then we have one here, Major George Earl Preddy of the 328th Fighter Squadron with a beautiful blue nose. So, yeah, that looks pretty cool. Okay. Let's look at the decals. Here is the decal sheet. And you can see all the little stencils and really cool just little markings that the aircraft should have. So that's really neat. I'm pretty impressed with, as I call it, the new Airfix. Because, you know, you built Airfix kits back in the day and they're okay, but Now they're really world class, I tell you. Okay, so we are going to open this up. It's in the bag. It's going to no longer be in the bag. See, it was even safety and checked and all that stuff for quality assurance. That's pretty neat. Okay. Ooh, here's the clear parts. I'm not going to take the clear parts out, but it looks like you have, wow, you have 3 different types of the bubble canopy and 2 of the forward parts there, the windscreen, and 2 or 3 different gun sights. That's kind of neat. So if you're like me and you goof up, yeah, you build the other version. That's awesome. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Oh, cool. It's all in one bag. Wow. There's your tail assembly and some other pieces. And it comes with a bum. A couple of bums. How about that? Looking at, wow, it's so nice to see no injection pin marks at all, no flash at all, and lots of detail parts here. Looks like you got 2 different exhaust systems, and either this is like an 18-wheeler and has lots of wheels. No, it comes with like 4 wheels. That's kind of neat. Don't know why, but that's neat. Yeah, all 4 of them seem to be weighted, so cool. Wow. I'm really starting to like this kit, because if you watch my regular channel and you see the tanks that I build, I like to build the Dragon because they come with so many extra parts. Look at this. There's another tail assembly here and another tail assembly here. I've got all sorts of options on this kit. Wow, that is pretty cool. Looking at the engraving and the details, yeah, there's really good engraving on this. So I already like this. I already love this kit. Okay, here you've got drop tanks, 1 rudder, two rudders. No, those are the tail, yeah. Wings. And in looking at the engravings on the panel lines and the rivet detail, they look really good. They do. They look really good. My impression from talking with crew chiefs from World War II was they usually puttied those rivets and whatnot to get smoother, better performance. But those were P-47 crew chiefs that I talked to. I don't know about the P-51. So anyway, you've got the detail there if you want it. Holy schmoly, there's more pieces, parts here. So if you want to build it gear up, you've got the gear up option. Here's your little pilot dude. Let's see how good he looks. See, there's your little pilot dude. There you go. Maybe that'll help. But he looks pretty good. So not like the old, remember the old Revell monogram? Those were kind of interesting. Anyway, so that's the kit. I'd really love to build one of these. I got a lot of projects right now on the table, so we'll see if I can get to one. But man, I'd build this one over any other P-51 out there, I can tell you that much. So thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you again soon.